welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video with Amber. Hey! Today's video, Amber is going to be following my normal makeup routine, kind of like night out themed makeup, and this is the finished look. If you want to find out how she got this look and see her testing some new products, then please keep watching.
Over on my channel we're going to be doing a video as well. I'm going to be transforming Lucy into me, so she's going to be following my normal makeup routine, but I'm not going to actually do the makeup on you. Yeah?
Because I'm lazy.
So if you want to see that video, then it will be in the down box below, so you can go and click on that if you like.
Right, we're going to start with Bobbi Brown face base. Put it all over your face.
Love me face.
Love your face. So where would you normally put primer?
Well, it depends on what type of primer it is. If it's a like something like this, I would put it everywhere. But if it was more like a shiny primer, I'd be careful where I put, you know, like a glowy primer.
Yeah.
Or if it was like an oily one, like the Benefit one.
Put it like in your T-zone.
Yeah.
So we've got the Lime Crime Venus Extra Large palette, and then the Be Perfect Carnival palette. And I'm gonna say go for a purple look. Have you got anything on your eyes at the moment?
I've just got
I just want a P. Louise base.
I'll use a bit of P. Louise, but yeah, I've just got a bit of just so you guys know, I've already done my brows, and I've just got a little bit of Urban Decay Stay Naked just around the brow, just to carve the brow out. But that's all I've got on.
So I'm gonna give you P. Louise base, the original one, little one.
I've not tried this either.
You tried P. Louise
No,
base?
you should have been like.
Are you serious?
No, I've never tried it because I just use concealer.
Girl,
I'm not missing out.
you are missing out. So I normally
Right.
put like, I do like maybe 5 little dots of it, and then I just blend it out with this brush.
Okay.
But obviously be careful because I normally bend it all over my brows and then do my brows afterwards. But obviously you've got your brows on.
Yeah. Okay.
So you've
See,
got.
the makeup artist in me goes to put it on the back of my hand, don't I?
Well, do you know what I've got? Do you want to see my? Do you want to use my funky thing? Which just looks like this.
Oh, that's class.
And you put it on your hand.
Oh, I'll do that.
Then you can put it on there.
Oh, cool.
Sparkle PR sent me it.
Oh, that's class.
I know. I can't believe you've never tried it though.
No. I've always wanted to, but I've just never got around to ordering it.
I think if they started doing it like in Boots or somewhere like that, then I think people would order.
I think it was the postage put
Oh,
me
that's
off.
it. Yeah, I'm sure it's like £5 or something.
And like, I think when this launched, we weren't talking. When we saw, normally we'd be like, should we share postage?
No, because I remember getting that, and I remember ordering a trio pack with my friend as well, and I still haven't even used up my original one.
I want the bright.
So
I want the brights ones. It is
I
got its
know.
coverage, like, isn't
Oh
it?
yeah, it is.
Wow.
Coverage.
Yeah, see, like, I literally used the tiniest amount, and that's covered my full eye. Obviously, if I was doing my brows as well, it'd probably need a little bit more, but...
So yeah, I put Passion in the crease, blend that out, and then if you need to blend it out with something else, then I'd use a little bit of this one, or even the scallop to blend it out.
Idolised or scallop?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So, I'm going to do a cut crease, P. Louise base though.
Okay.
Yeah. And then apply the Hollywood, I don't even think you'll be able to see this, to be fair. The Hollywood glitter from Peaches and Cream. And then deepen up the crease afterwards with Boccicelli.
I think that's how you
I think so you pronounce it.
Yeah. Cool.
Boccicelli.
I've just tapped down my face.
I've got that on film as well. Do you do where you tap it and then look up?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Because you don't really have hooded eyelids, do you? You've got opposite eye shape to me.
I have deep set hooded.
Okay.
So
Mine's just like a ball sack, it's just full of skin.
So I've actually got really good lid space to work with. But if you look, can you see how I'm slightly hooded? Like there.
Yeah. Because you're not so hooded when it comes to the outer bit where your eyeliner would be, whereas mine's quite hooded there, so I have to be careful when I flick it
you're
out.
more hooded, yeah, than me. I'm deep set hooded.
For eyeliner, the Soap and Glory Super Cat.
We're doing wing liner.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I've never used this before.
Have you not? To be honest with you, it is like the one that I rave about, but I've realised recently it's not actually that pigmented.
Right,
it's really easy to apply,
but it's not that pigmented.
but it's not that pigmented.
Do you know what people always get wrong when they put wing liner on as well? They always go to apply like that, and it's easier to apply on the side.
So for lashes, I'm going to give you the unicorn lashes, which look like this.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Majestic as fuck. Majestic
No
AF.
other way to say it.
And for
Lash glue.
lash glue, the best lash glue in the whole wide world, House of Lashes adhesive. I don't know if
Is
you've
this going
tried
to pull
this.
my eyelashes out?
No.
I've heard that it pulls your eyelashes
No, oh my
out.
god, no.
Oh, really?
Right, so you're primed. Now it's time for foundation.
Oh, you two are being completely different to me.
Why? What would you do next?
I'd have finished the eye look completely. I'd have done under my eyes, and then I'd have gone in and done this.
Really? So you put your eyeshadow on and then put your concealer around the eyeshadow?
No, yeah, because you're only putting the eyeshadow there. You're not taking it down here, are you?
Well, no, but then it blends out into the concealer and it's like
No, because you're not supposed to take the concealer all the way up to your eyeline anyway.
Oh, no, I do.
It's too much product.
No, I do. The more the better.
Not always the case.
So these are my best like night out foundations, MAC Studio Fix. This is NC30. I normally use this and mix just a little bit of NC42 in, just because that's like a more of a warm kind of colour. So
I'll do them on my little mixing palette then.
Yeah.
Buffing
So
brush.
I used a buffing brush. This is a Nancy Buff Base R02. We got this when we went to
Clothes show?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like this.
And I just literally use it and like I would a sponge. I don't buff. I kind of tap it and then do like little buffing motions, if that makes sense.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
The fact that the foundation's 3 shades darker. Thanks, Luce.
We're going to go to the shop there with it.
Yeah, because this is about what I wear in my urban. Maybe slightly lighter.
But you did put a little bit too much of the thing in by accident, didn't you?
I thought you weren't going to do me dirty, Luce.
No, I'm saying you put a little bit too much of the thing in by accident.
Yeah.
So otherwise it probably would have been the right shade for you. That's why I said to you, probably won't even be that much of a difference for you because you are so tanned.
I am. It's
like
just
imagine
my
that on
neck.
me.
Look at that like white ring on my neck.
I know, why did it do that?
Because when you're on the sunbed, you're like, it's the way you sit, and I've got 3 chins.
My neck always looks so much lighter, but then on camera it looks so much darker.
Right.
So
is it concealer?
I'm not gonna give. I would just give you a cream contour, but I don't think I'm not gonna do you.
You're not gonna do me dirty.
I'm not gonna do you dirty like that.
Oh, right.
This might balance it out. It does look really, really white, so only put a tiniest little bit on.
Right. Okay.
So that's the Tarte concealer.
Yeah. So Tarte, we're using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair.
I only used it yesterday. It's clean. Well, it isn't, but it is from yesterday. But then
I'm learning a lot about Lucy and her makeup brushes.
And then I'll give you the Beauty Bakery flour powder because it's yellow, so that'll make it a bit more darker.
So what's the what's the thoughts on Shape Tape?
I think I need a different shade in it. Definitely can look a bit dry, and it wouldn't be one that I'd use and then like bake underneath my eyes and stuff like that.
No, but that's what you're gonna do to me.
No, I don't bake.
Oh, do you not bake?
No.
Also, it can be quite dry.
Yeah,
it's quite thick, isn't it?
It is.
I don't know how, but I never ever get concealer everywhere though. You know, you run about like, I don't know, I always do it that way and I never get concealer anywhere.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I always take it off, but I never end up with, not concealer, eyeshadow everywhere. When I do my eyeshadow under my eyes first, I don't know, it's strange.
No, well, you'll just be gentle around it, won't you?
Yeah, I think so.
And then I use this Beauty Bakery powder. This is the yellow one.
Flour powder, yeah?
Yeah.
All over the face?
And I use a sponge for it.
Oh, do you really? Okay, all over the face?
All over the face.
I've never tried that technique. Have you seen the new...
I watched it from James Charles.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what do you do? Just press it on the skin?
And then I just press it into the skin.
Okay. You'd like the new... have you seen the new sponge that Real Techniques have brought out?
No.
That's one of those ones designed for powder.
That's what I need, because that one keeps getting clogged up. Like, it looks like it's mucky, but it's not. Right, so the next one is bronzer. This is my favourite bronzer in the whole wide world. It's the MAC Mineral Skin Finish in Dark Tan. Just looks like this.
I've got that in my makeup bag today.
Have you?
Yeah.
And then I use, for a brush for it,
to make me more orange,
I use a blush brush from Real Techniques.
Okay.
What would you normally use for your bronzer?
A Real Techniques bronzer brush.
Ah, they're bigger around.
No, it's more... It looks similar to this actually, because of the way you've been using it. Multitask face brush.
Yeah.
But Lucy's created that look with this brush. That's the way she's been using it.
So I can't really wear this bronzer to work because it's just a bit too dark.
Well, I did have medium dark.
I know I have that one as
And
well.
it just doesn't have any colour payoff at
No.
all. You have to really build and build.
Because I went and got my makeup done by MAC and they used that on me. And I thought, oh God, and I went to buy it and I was like, I really like it. But then I saw it and I was like, oh my God, that is orange. Like, I'm not getting that. And I said to her, it looks a bit dark for when I haven't got my fake tan on. So I'll get the shade lighter. So I got the shade lighter and it was rubbish.
Right.
So I had to go back and buy it.
It's got like no pigmentation in it.
Rubbish. I've got
how do you normally like? Do you normally like quite heavily bronze or?
Yeah, quite heavily bronze, and then I do the sides of my head, and then I do my double chin. Okay, dog. For blusher, I'm gonna give you my Hourglass palette to play with. Yeah. This is the Ambient Light and Edit Volume 3. It just looks like this.
I've never tried that.
I'm gonna give you. You'd probably like that, to be fair. But I use that more for work.
Bronzer.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you my Real Techniques Duo Fibre Face Brush for my blusher.
Right.
And then just mix the two together.
Oh, I was gonna say I like this one.
Go for whatever one you want.
Ooh.
Or mix them together. Because I would normally do that anyway.
And whereabouts do you apply your blush? I know that sounds stupid, but
So I apply it kind of here.
yeah, okay, so along. Right.
Yeah.
Because some people just put it on the apples of the cheeks, don't they? I'm impressed.
It's glowy as well, just like it being a blusher.
Yeah, it's nice that.
Yeah.
I like it.
For highlight. To be fair, I'd probably mix the two because it'd probably be a little bit too light with me being
Tan.
Yeah, thick tan Lucy. So I'm going to give you a mix of Doll Beauty, Like a Diamond, and Laura Geller Gilded Honey.
This is a nice brush.
It's nice. Yeah, Morphe M501.
That the one that everyone raves on about.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, I think it is.
We'll do your under eye first, and then we'll do your lips.
Right.
So use the one that you've used in the crease.
Yeah.
Underneath the eyes, and then use the darker one underneath, but like closer to the.
No liner underneath, no.
No.
That's fine. So we're just going to go back in with the Venus palette that we used earlier, and we're going to go back in with the Passion shade and the Botticelli, is it? Or is it the...
No, Botticelli.
Yeah, and the Botticelli shade just underneath the eye.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Bad Girl Bang by Benefit, which is one of your favourite mascaras anyway. Just because obviously with mascaras, they're one of the only things that you wouldn't really normally share. Right,
lips.
This is what I'm excited about.
So this is probably like one of my favourite lip combos. Like this is my brown one, and I've got a pink one. This is the MAC Spice lip liner. So I want to put this. You put it all around the outside of your lips and colour in the corners a little bit with it.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then go in with Myth, which is like this.
Oh, is that Shannon So's favourite?
Possibly.
I'm sure it used to be one of her favourites. I'm sure I've heard her talk about it before.
But it's like the best combination
okay.
ever. Look how pale I look compared to you. Oh, for fuck's sake. I need to go on holiday. In Reading.
True that. Just don't book with Thomas Cook.
Oh my god, I know. Fucking hell.
Should have said that.
So this is the finished look from Amber following my makeup routine.
I'm impressed.
Are you impressed?
Yeah.
What would your things that stood out the most?
So I really loved the P. Louise eyeshadow base because I've never had a chance to try that, and it
just shocked me that you've never tried that.
But it just completely transforms the eyeshadow as well, doesn't it? Like
so much more pigment. It just blends out so much better as well.
Really impressed with that. Really love the Laura Geller highlighter, but I knew I liked that anyway. Because I think I have tried that.
I always thought you had that, but you just tried mine, haven't you?
Yeah, I think I went to buy it when we were in one of the shops before. Do you remember it was the only one that didn't have in stock?
Yeah, because it's the best one. The other ones aren't very good.
They didn't have it in stock. What else did I like? What else did I say? That
eyeshadow palette.
The eyeshadow palettes were really nice. I really enjoyed using the eyeshadow palettes. I'd quite like to try the Tarte Shape Tape again as well, and I think it's one of those things you can't make like a decision straight away.
No, you have to play around with it as well.
I think I'd have to play around with that a little bit more to see what I like, and I love the lashes because obviously I know that I love unicorn lashes anyway. But I was pretty impressed with the lips. Yeah, perfect combo. Totally forgot about the lips. Yeah, absolutely obsessed with this combo, and I think especially that Myth lipstick, I think it's a real transformer lipstick. So I think it's one of those lipsticks that, you know, if you pick that up and like you said you wore it on its own, you probably wouldn't look twice at it.
No, it'd look like concealer lips.
Exactly.
Like
when you combine it,
wouldn't be nice
it
at
could
all.
create so many different looks. So I'm really impressed with that, and that might be on my purchase list. quite excited.
Well, you get staff discount now anyway.
So, yeah, really, really impressed. But overall, I absolutely love the look and I think it looks gorgeous. So
Me too.
Thank you for not doing me dirty.
I know, I could have given you cream contour as well, but I didn't.
Yeah, so I'm happy.
Like we said, we will leave the video that's on Amber's channel linked down below for you to go check that out as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and she'll see you soon.
Mwah.
Bye guys.